How to invite someone to your neighborhood on Hayday. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can invite someone to your neighborhood in Hayday. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Hayday app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are in the game, feel free to explore and play as usual. And now to invite your friends, you just need to follow these steps. So first, locate and tap on friends icon, which you will find in the bottom right corner of the screen. And this will brings up a friends list. Now from here, I'm gonna simply tap on Greg. But remember, the Greg is just an NPC, so we need to select a real friends. Now, once you are in your friend's farm, next to your friend's name you will see an invite button. So simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, your friend will receive an invitation to join your neighborhood. And that's how you can invite someone to your neighborhood on Hayday. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.